Hey team! So this week we're starting a new lesson and I'm really excited because we're going to be talking about nutrition and all things food. I absolutely love food, so I'm super pumped. I love talking about nutrition because there are so many different perspectives that you can look at when it comes to diets, and most diets can be scientifically proven to be effective. Let's talk about that word first, diet. A lot of people think that when you say the word diet, that we're talking about restricting yourself, starving yourself, only eating lettuce, things like that. So let's go ahead and talk about what the actual definition of diet is. The definition of diet is the kinds of foods that a person, an animal, or a community habitually eats. And so this could refer to being a vegetarian. This could refer to being eating a ketogenic diet that is high in fats. This could refer to the Paleolithic diet where people eat only whole foods and clean foods. There's a million different kinds of diets in the world, but it doesn't mean maybe it shouldn't have that negative connotation that it tends to have when we refer to talking about food and nutrition. There are a million different types of diets in the world, and again, most of those can be scientifically proven to be effective for your body. But this week we are going to hit the basics of nutrition, and we're going to talk about a diet that can fit into any of these categories of eating, because it's going to teach you how to calculate what your body specifically needs, and then how you choose to fulfill those needs is up to you. So let's go ahead and get into it. So today we are starting with two very basic definitions: macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are the nutrients that your body needs large amounts of. These are carbohydrates, proteins, and fats or lipids. We will refer to these as macros. Carbohydrates include fruits and veggies, breads, pastas, rice, oats, and things along those lines. Proteins include foods such as meats, fish, poultry, eggs, yogurt, cottage cheese, things of that nature. And then fats include foods such as oils, avocados, nuts, seeds, and things like that. And my favorite is peanut butter. Some of these foods can fit into more than one category, such as almonds have proteins and fats, and salmon has protein and fats. Micronutrients include, but are not limited to, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins such as vitamin B12, vitamin D, vitamin C, and so on. And then minerals such as potassium, calcium, iron, zinc, sodium, and a lot more. Your body requires smaller amounts of these, but they are still vital for optimal health. We will talk more about these in depth and learn how much our bodies actually need. But for today, your big takeaways are: the definition of diet is the kinds of food that a person, animal, or community habitually eats. The second thing is that macronutrients are the nutrients that your body needs large amounts of. The three macros that we will talk about are carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Micronutrients are the nutrients that your body needs smaller amounts of. And the micronutrients include, but are not limited to, vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin D, iron, potassium, sodium, and zinc. All right, team, go ahead and answer the following questions, and then your challenge will be on the next page.